In this video, how to fix mouse scrolling the opposite direction in Windows 11. By default, if you scroll down with the mouse wheel, the page will go down, and this is the natural way that we've got used to for decades. If your mouse scrolls the opposite way, you can reverse the scrolling direction easily. Open the Settings app by right-click on the Windows Start icon or pressing the Windows +I keyboard shortcut. Select Bluetooth and Devices on the left sidebar. Then click Mouse on the right pane. Look for this Scrolling section, and you can then click the Scrolling Direction drop-down menu to choose your preferred option. Roll the mouse wheel down will move the page up. Roll the mouse wheel down will move the page down. The change will apply immediately. You can test the new settings to ensure you're happy with the new scroll direction. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.